Frontline Eurosports Online, back at you with another Ducati Uncrating today. We're going to see a 2018 Multistrada 950, and this was our first white model that's going to have the spoke rims on it. So you get to see the Multi 950 with the 19-inch front wheel instead of the conventional 17 on the 1200 and 1260s now out. So we're going to uncrate this machine, let you get an eye full of Ducati Multistrada 950 from Frontline Eurosports Online. Get it, Josh. So now we've got the perimeter off of the crate for the 2018 Multi 950 in white with those big, beautiful tubeless spoke rims. So we're going to get our on wrapped. Let you see this white Multistrada 950. Yeah. So we're going to have things added to the machine once we get it fully built, like handlebars. It's going to be a nice plus to have on the machine. It's adjustable windscreen on this bad boy. We still have the safety package with us for ride modes, ABS, and traction control. We still have a conventional key for this motorcycle. It doesn't have a key fob or anything to that nature yet. We really like what they did, or I personally really like what they did with the 19-inch front wheel, changing the geometry of the motorcycle a little bit with our axle location, giving us a more confident feel and something that's going to be a little sturdier off-road. So when we take this beast, we have a lot more confidence on-road and off-road as well. So thanks for watching us here at Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host, Jennings. Check it out.